Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. Dr. B. Ranganathan, IIT NEET JEE Academy. This is my YouTube channel. So, after long back, my dear students, it is very useful for those who are appearing for the examination IIT, JEE, NEET, and local engineering examinations. Students, so many students are asking how to calculate number of isomers present in alkene, alkyne. Actually, this topic also completed, student, but video upload is not uploaded. Only for up to calculation of number of isomers present in alcohols and saturated alkanes are over. Now, today I am going to discuss about how to calculate number of isomers present in alkene and alkyne. First, alkene. In alkene, what is the general formula for alkene, my dear student? CnH2n is the general formula for alkene. In these two cases, one is if the alkene having even number of carbon atoms, if the alkene having odd number of carbon atoms. These are two different. So in this case one, in this case one, my dear student, if even alkene contain even number of carbon atoms, what is the formula for calculation of isomers if the alkene having even number of carbon atoms? So 2 power n minus 2 plus 1. This is the formula for if the alkene having even number of carbon atoms, my dear student. Okay. For example, if n is equals to 2 is the even. What is the general formula? General formula, if n is equals to, substitute here, n is the number of carbon atoms. Here also n is the number of carbon atoms. Therefore, C2H 2 4 C4H4 is the molecular formula. Okay. So in this molecular formula, how many isomers are present? So by using this formula, 2 power n means 2 minus 2 plus 1, that is equals to 2 power 0 plus 1, that is equals to anything power 0 is equals to 1. So anything power 0 is equals to 1 plus 1 2. How many isomers are possible? 2 isomers if n is equals to 2. So what are? So one is cis isomer. This is cis isomer C2H4. This is cis alkene, indicates cis ethene. This is cis form, one isomer, and another one is transform, my dear student. Transform. Trans-ethene. Trans-ethene is the another isomer. How many isomers are present? 2 isomers. What are? Cis and trans isomer. Okay. So these are the if n is equals to 2. For example, if n is equals to 4 is the even or not? How many isomers are possible by using this simple trick? How many isomers? If n is equals to 4, if n is equals to 4 also even, what is the general formula? CnH2n. CnH2n means C2H8 is the C4H8 is the general formula. By using this formula, CnH2n is the general formula for alkene. If n is equals to 4 means C4H8. So how many isomers are possible by using this simple trick? 2 power n minus 2 plus 1. Substitute here 2 power 4 minus 2 plus 1, that is equals to 2 power 2 plus 1, that is equals to 4 plus 1. How many isomers, ma? 5 isomers are possible if n is equals to 4. So what are 5 isomers? One is CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH3. This is called, according to IUPAC, 2-butene. What is the IUPAC name? 2-butene. This is one isomer. And next, second isomer is CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH3. This is second isomer. Okay, what is the IUPAC name of this one? 1-butene. 1-butene is the IUPAC name of this one. To check it out, this is correct or not. What is the molecular formula? C4H8. How many carbons? 4 carbon. How many hydrogen? 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. Next, third isomer. Third isomer is CH2 double bond C, CH3, and next CH3. Here, what is the IUPAC name? The numbering starts with here. So 2-methyl, second position is methyl substituent, and next one position is double bond, means in propene. So propene, 1-propene is the answer. 2-methyl 1-propene is third isomer. And next, fourth isomer. Fourth isomer is cyclobutane. Cyclobutane is the fourth isomer. And next, fifth isomer, my dear student. Fifth isomer is cyclopropane is attached to the methyl group. Methyl cyclopropane is the answer for fifth one. So total how many number of isomers present in if n is equals to 4? 5 isomer. So these are very, very important, my dear student, because in the examination, writing the structures, finding of isomers, it is time waste process. By using this simple trick, you can easily find out the how many isomers. It is not necessary for in the examination, because of in examination time saving is the most important, my dear student, because of how to solve problem within 1 minute. That is the most important. Okay. Next, case 2 in alkene. Case 2. What is the case 2? Case 1 is if the number of carbons is even. What is the formula? 2 power n minus 2 plus 1. If the number of carbons, case 2. What is the case 2 for here? What is the case 2? If number of carbons is odd number, means odd number of carbons present in alkene. What is the formula? 2 power n minus 2 is the formula. 2 power n minus 2. Okay, so this is the formula for only 2 power n minus 2. Okay, my dear student. So if n is equals to 3, odd value is 3. So what is the molecular formula? C3H6. Why? Because of general formula is CnH2n. That is C3. How many isomers? That is equals to substitute here 2 power 3 minus 2. 2 power 3 minus 2, that is equals to 2 power 1. How many isomers? 2 isomers. What are C3H8, C3H6? One is CH3, CH double bond CH2, my dear student. 1-propene is the one isomer. And another isomer is cyclopropane. This is second isomer. How many isomers? First and second isomer. Okay, for example, if n is equals to 5, 5 is the odd value. What is the molecular formula? C5H10. How many isomers are possible for C5H10? 2 power n minus 2, that is equals to 2 power 5 minus 2, that is equals to 2 power 5 means 2 power 3, that is equals to 8 isomers are possible if n is equals to 5. This is the if alkene having odd number of carbon atoms. What is the formula? 2 power n minus 2. Okay. What is the formula for if n value is even? 2 power n minus 2 plus 1. Okay. And this is the calculation of number of isomers present in even number of carbon atoms and present in odd number of carbon atoms. Okay. In same alkene, how to calculate total number of rings present. Total number of rings present in alkene. Present in alkene is equals to n minus 1 is the formula, my dear student. How many number of rings present in total number of rings? N minus 1. This is the calculation of total number of isomers present in alkene. If the alkene having odd number of carbon atoms and even number of carbon atoms. And next I am going to discuss about how to calculate number of isomers present in alkyne. Here also same, my dear student. Here case 1 and case 2. If number of carbons is even, is different. If the number of carbons is odd, it is different. Okay. Next, alkyne. What is the general formula for alkyne? What is the general formula for alkyne? Alkene is CnH2n. Alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. This is the general formula for alkynes. So what is the case 1? What is the case 1? In case 1, even number of carbons present in alkyne. What is the formula? So 2 power n minus 2n minus 1 is the formula. What is the formula? 2 power n minus 2n minus 1. When if the number of carbons is even number in alkynes. For example, if n is equals to 2 is the even. So first of all, what is the molecular formula if n is equals to 2? C2H2. Why? Because of here 2 2 is 4, 4 minus 2, 2, C2H2. So what is the, how many isomers? 2 power 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 power 2 indicates 4 minus 4 minus 1, that is equals to 4 minus 3, that is equals to 1 isomer. 1 isomer means this is the 1 isomer, H, C triple bond CH. This is the isomer. Not isomer, only one molecule. It's not possible for isomer. Only single. Okay. And next, if n is equals to 4 even value, what is the molecular first of all? So C4H, 4 to the 8 minus 6, C4H6. C4H6. How many isomers? By using this formula, 2 power 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 1. That is equals to 2 power 4 indicates 16 minus 7 minus 1. 8 minus 1. That is equals to 16 minus 7. That is equals to 9 isomers are possible. How many isomers? 9 isomers. If n is equals to 4. This is the case 1 in even number of carbon atoms. And next in case 2, odd number of carbon atoms. How to calculate number of isomers present in alkyne? So what is the case 1? Case 1 is even, case 2 is odd value. So odd number of carbons present in alkyne. So what is the formula? 2 power n minus 2n is the formula. By using this simple trick, we can calculate number of isomers present in odd number of carbons in alkyne. For example, odd value. If n is equals to 3 is the odd value. Okay, 1 is not possible because of here alkyne indicate at least 2 carbons. Okay, what is the molecular formula? C3, 3 to just 6 minus C3H4 molecular. This is molecular formula. In competitive examination like this, in given molecular formula C3H4, how many isomers are present in this molecular formula C3H4? So this type of questions. So how to identify C3H4 is alkyne? By using this general formula, alkene or alkene. We can find out alkene or alkene. If alkene indicates, formula is different. If alkyne indicates, the formula is different. Okay. Next, if n is equals to 3. So what is the formula? 2 power n. 2 power 3 minus 2 into 3. So 2 power 3 indicates 8. 8 minus 6, that is equals to 2 isomers. How many isomers are possible? If n is equals to 3, 2 isomers. What are 2 isomers? One is CH3 here C triple bond CH ma. This is 1 propyne. 1 propyne is the answer. And another one is cyclopropene is the second isomer. This is second isomer, this is first isomer. If n is equals to 3. For example, if n is equals to 5, so first of all, what is the molecular formula? Molecular formula indicates C5, 10 minus 2, 5 to the 10, C5H8, molecular formula. So by using this 2 power n minus 2n formula, 2 power 5 minus 2 into 5, that is equals to 2 power 5 indicates 32 minus 10, that is equals to 2 power 5 indicates 16 or 32. 2 power 4 indicates 16, 16 to the 32. Here 5, that is equals to 22 isomers are possible. 22 isomers are possible if number of carbons is 5 in alkyne. 5 indicates odd number of carbon atoms. Here also, how to calculate total number of rings present in alkyne. So what is the formula? Total number of rings present in alkyne. So n into n minus 2 ma. N into n minus 2 is the calculation of it. Is rarely asking by using this formula. Okay, rarely ma. How many rings are present in this? So keep it mind formula. What is the formula for total number of rings present in alkyne? N into n minus 2. What is the formula for how many number of rings present in alkene? N minus 1. But remaining is very important. Okay, but it is calculation for a number of isomers present in alkane. Alcohols are easy, but alkenes are too tough. That's why you can see this by simple trick. By using this simple trick, we can calculate number of isomers present in alkene and alkyne. Okay, my dear student, this is the complete topic for calculation of isomers present in alkene and alkyne. So please subscribe, my dear student. Please subscribe Dr. B. Ranganathan, IIT NEET Academy. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, already so many videos are uploaded already. 50 I think 55 videos. These are very useful for those who are appearing for the examination, IIT JEE and NEET and local engineering examination students. Okay, so please subscribe. You can, so before means you can see the how to calculate number of isomers present in saturated alkene and alcohols. So to see the before video. Okay, so thanks for watching, my dear student. So please subscribe Dr. B. Ranganath Academy.